Hi, so today we are going to go on a little trip around a lake that is quite close to Yangong. It's about 20 k's. We're going to go on our bikes. We found a really nice track that's off the main road, away from all the traffic. We could actually hear bird song and cicadas, and beautiful area. And I think it's quite an area that's not well known. And we're going to go and cycle around the lake and see what we find. Cycling down the road and think that we've smoked something when we come across this. Elephant dancing is believed to have originated in the Shan state, which is north of here, where elephants are revered as sacred animals. In Myanmar, the elephants are associated with good fortune, prosperity, and protection. And they perform this Thin Poo dance to appease the elephant spirits and ask for their blessings. This dance is performed during festivals and ceremonies, and it's to ward off evil spirits and misfortune, bring good luck and prosperity, ensure a bountiful harvest, and it's also performed to celebrate important events like weddings and births.
What's the problem? Is it a bit steep?
What's wrong? Is it a bit steep?
Yep.
A bit steep and a bit slippery. You want a hand? Yay! So we've managed to get off the beaten track a little bit, find a nice path next to a lake which is about 20 k's out of town, and there's Exelby taking a picture of me. And here's the lake, and it's so beautiful, and looks like we've found a little piece of paradise. Bird song. There's the road that we're going on, which says no entry, but we're going to give it a go anyway. What an absolute pleasure. There's no noises apart from a little squeak on my bike and bird song. No traffic, no people. Bliss.
So here we are on the wall of the dam, cycling along this path. First time we've seen much jungle, or been in the jungle, in the bush. This has caught my eye. What an enormous leaf and flower head. I have to look that one up. Watch out here. Oh, I think, no, don't worry, I'll stop. I hope in time.
So lovely to hear the birds.
Oh, we get onto the iceberg.
Oh, getting bitten by ants. Stopping in a bit of shade and admiring this beautiful view. How stunning. So we've managed to sneak onto a road that's right next to the main road, and so we can hear trucks going past, but we've got this little dirt road right next to it, and it's rather pleasant. A bit bumpy, a bit up and down. So nice not to be in all the big trucks. So we're now passing a teak plantation. It's a very common wood here, according to my botanist, and very valuable. Okay, so tell me a bit about teak, Exelby.
Teak, well, it grows here very well. You can see all of these trees with a very big leaf are teak trees. The timber is very valuable and has been for several hundred years. It's been important thing with regards to the economy of Burma and Myanmar, and consequently there's been a lot of over-exploitation and damage to the forest. So here, currently it's illegal to export teak. Gives the forest a chance to recover. But it produces a very rich, browny red timber, which is resistant to water and to repellents, so it's very long lasting, and it was much in demand by the British Navy when they had wooden ships.
Okay, I can't do this anymore because I'm gonna crash. So we've stopped off at looks like a teak nursery, and we just passed a big woodland of it, and our resident expert is going to tell us a little bit about teak.
Oh look, yeah, this is beautiful. The young leaf has got this
cool.
purple colour and the green leaves. The texture of the leaves is quite rough as well, a bit sandpaper-like on the top. and harsh underneath, and the leaves are opposite on the stem, opposite and opposite on the stem, like that, at right angles like that. So it's a very distinctive plant because the leaves are so big.
And tell me about the value of it.
Burmese teak, and it's a very valuable timber and has been for hundreds of years because it doesn't rot in water, and ants don't like it, termites don't like it, so it's a very durable timber, and its wood works well and makes good boats. So it's been part of Myanmar's economy, or Burma's economy, for many, many years. Currently a lot of the teak has been over harvested, and now it is banned to export teak from Burma to give the forests a chance to recover.
Oh, thank you for our little lesson.
There you go. Here's another indication of the floral diversity that you'll find here in Myanmar. This avenue has got signs, and next to each sign is a variety of bamboo. So quite a few different varieties to be seen. Well, here we are in kind of the middle of Yangong. Well, not quite, but there are people living all around us, and here's a field of water buffalo. Quite nice.
You've just been stopped on the track to say it's underwater.
We can't.
So we had a fantastic day out in nature. I think this place is very rarely visited. Even the locals that we've spoken to say they've never been there. It's well worth a visit. Just so beautiful. Next time we're definitely going to take our costumes and stop off and have a swim. The water looks quite clean actually. So yeah, we had a great time, and thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for your interest and support. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. We're starting to gain a bit of traction on this channel, which is fantastic, and we are moving forward, so we're really excited about that. Next week, we're going to bring you an epic adventure that we had up in Bagan and Mandalay, so tune in next week as ever on a Thursday. Thanks again.